Got this rubber mold. I'm trying to attempt to clean it with white vinegar. I've used muriatic acid, but it's pretty dangerous, so we'll try this stuff out here. Probably soak it overnight, 24 hours. I don't know if I got enough to cover it or not. We'll check her out tomorrow about this time. If I ain't got enough cover, I got another gallon. Smells, well, I need to find something to cook. Anyway, muriatic acid, you wouldn't be able to touch it. It'd eat you up probably. But I think vinegar's okay to kind of handle. I'll go ahead and weight that down and come back tomorrow and check her out.